Man, what's up with the YouTube? Man, good morning, early morning. I just wanted to, hop on here today and, man, give y'all a chance to see what I got going on right now, what I've been up to, man. And basically just show y'all how I get, my new hoodies that I got going out, the Chanel embroidery on the back, starting at something, basic hoodie. Nice hoodie, by the way, from Lane 7 and Pearl. They got nice hoodies for sure. Yeah, so basically I just wanted to give y'all the rundown, like how I do, what I do type stuff, how I make these mugs. All right, so I'm gonna be filming. And like kind of doing this at the same time. So I got some adhesive right now, spray on adhesive. I already got my neck tag printed on the back. I just used the last neck tags I was using for my shirts, just cause I got a lot of them, so I had to use them. Use some of this, like lightly, spread lightly. You don't need a lot. Place that right there on the back. Make sure it's good. And man, hey, let me tell y'all something. I am not a professional at using this embroidery stuff, like the sewing embroidery machine. And I have the lb5000s right now. So, man, anybody got any tips, anything for me, hop on the video, let me know. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, I'm not a professional with this yet, man. I've been having it for a couple weeks. And I should have learned about the machine before I tried to start, like, just jump to selling type stuff, But knowing me, like, I would just watched a few YouTube videos and I feel like I was ready, so I just jumped in. But hold on, let's get this clamp, on here real quick. I'll be right back, man. All right, I got my clamp put on there, ready for embroidery. I'm about to go ahead and flip that over real quick, man. Y'all give me a second, man. Said, man, I'm not a professional with this yet, man. I done messed up a lot of stuff, man. I ain't gonna lie. But, I continue to go. And some of them I done knocked out and they didn't came out perfect. And, some of them, not so perfect. But it's all good, though. You just gotta keep pushing. Can't give up on yourself. Can't give up. Okay, we pressed embroidery. That mug should be ready to go. We have a technical difficulty. Something ain't right. Something is not right. Okay, let's just go back. Cancel that. USB. So I got my designs right here, Set. Go to rotate. Flip it. And then you can move it. So embroidery. So this button right here should not be red. And I don't know what it's red for. Because I should be good to go. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Like, you're going to go through stuff. I swear I just did a hoodie. Like, I just got done doing one, so. And the needle is for sure threaded. Okay, I'm tripping. My fault. See? Something so small like that. It's early for me, I'm going to go ahead and hit that green. And we're going to see that thing start threading a little bit. Okay. There go the money right there. There we go. We're going to let that thing do its thing, thread out and everything. Man, I got a whole stack I gotta do this morning. And I have to be at work at 10, so I'm trying to bust all these hoodies out before I go to work type, you know what I mean? I try to get up earlier. I'm working on getting better at that, getting up earlier and stuff. But yeah, basically this how, when it's finished, the loud pocket stitched on the back, with the Chanel patch on the front. Then we also have a printed neck tag in there. Nice hoodie, man, nice hoodie. And the finishing product, that mug gonna look like this. something crazy like that. Tagged and bagged, blue one. We also got red, and the red is fire, man. But the red is hard to get the sizes that I need, so it's like, man, I have them, but then I don't have them. I know my embroidery machine over there pumping right now, and I know it's kind of loud, you know what I mean? But y'all gonna have to bear with me. But I just wanted to hop on here and tell y'all, man, I got a online course coming soon for the brand, you know what I mean? Just if you kind of interested, because I get a lot of questions on YouTube, and then just, you know, in everyday life about, you know, how I do what I do and like what steps that I take to get to where I got. And I just want to, you know, create a whole course, you know what I mean? Kind of just showing everybody like the way I got started. Up to the point I'm at now, you know what I mean? Because I wouldn't say that I'm too far ahead, but I feel like a lot of stuff I had to learn on my own, and I can save y'all a lot of money, you know what I mean? Like, skipping over all the bull. Because, like, I swear, like, I got hoodies in the box right now. I done tore up. I got shirts I done had to tear up, you know what I mean? It's just like, a boss take losses, you know what I mean? And it's all good, like I'm cool with that. But at the same time though, for y'all sake, y'all can just, the course is gonna be, man, I had an idea like putting it for 50 bucks. You know, when you complete the whole course, you get a Loud Pockets Letterman's jacket and also like a handwritten diploma straight for me. I feel like that'll be a dope idea, man. Like, I feel like that's hard. 50 bucks, man, I feel like 50 bucks is worth, you know, you learning something new, or if this is something that you really want to do, I feel like 50 bucks is well worth it, man, because, you know, like, it's an investment. I didn't spend money on just learning how to do stuff, you know what I mean, different people courses and stuff that didn't really help me. I done got a lot of stuff from a lot of different courses, so if that's something that you haven't tapped into, like, and you trying to learn how to make money and stuff, and yeah, dig in the courses, like, learn how, it's basically like people giving you the shortcut. Cause no, I didn't have, on the brand, that's the course that I did not take on this clothing stuff. This stuff, I'm getting it out the mud, I'm taking L's, you know what I mean? Really right now, with the brand, I feel like that I'm spending more than I'm making, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it's like, I love this, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna keep it going for y'all, man, and everybody else out there who supports your boy, cause, man, I be seeing like my numbers on Shopify, and basically everybody coming from YouTube, you know what I mean? Like, YouTube really been helping me out, for real. And I just passed over like $1,000 in sales online, like on my online store. So I appreciate y'all for that. Like, you know, I've been got it out here in the streets with people I know and stuff, but to have reached that milestone on my actual store is crazy. Like, man, I appreciate y'all, man. For sure. I'm about to show y'all the Thou Wow. This is up to March 12th, you know what I mean? So up to March 12th. 1,057, yep. Yeah, I don't, you know, it ain't no cap to y'all and nothing, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to motivate y'all and, you know, like I ain't trying to flex or nothing, you know what I mean? Because this is, you know, within like 6 months or so, 6 or 7 months. And, you know, before I started this brand, like, I ain't, you know what I mean? Like, I ain't know how to make money online and stuff, but, man, like, I would tell anybody, like, hey, figure it out. Like, figure it out, for real, man, because, you know what I mean? You learn how to do something, people willing to pay to learn how to do what you know, went through months and months of, you know, ups and downs, you know what I mean? They looking for, I wouldn't even call it, it's just like a shortcut, but it's well worth it, though. Like, me, like, I told y'all, even myself, I pay for courses myself. So it's like a shortcut, for real, you know what I mean? And, I mean, I say, take it, you know what I mean? That's why this course, man, I want y'all to really support it, man, because it's going to be really dope, man. I'm going to make it really fun and really just make go crazy for y'all, man. Because, like I said, I get a lot of questions every day. Nah, but I appreciate y'all, though, because, man, y'all help me. Like, me giving y'all the answers to stuff helps me lock it in up here, you know what I mean? So, and then people asking the same question over and over again. That's why I wanted to start the course, because it's like, I get asked the same questions frequently. So, you know, I want to just like bundle it all in one and just, you know, just bless y'all with it, you know what I mean? Like, man, and that Letterman's jacket, like, I'm gonna go crazy with it. Like, patches on it, you know, Loud Pockets University on that thing. You know, give me about a good month and a half, man. And anybody who interested, man, like, let me know in the comments what you would like to, what type of questions. Matter of fact, in the comments, I want y'all to start just like putting a list of just different questions and stuff I can put into the course. Let me know, like, if you're gonna tap into the course, you know what I mean? Like, if that's something that you're interested in doing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna also start doing 30-minute FaceTime calls, you know what I mean? Anything you wanna ask me personally, you know, like, I just, you know, go in depth with you. Just give you a little tour of, you know, what I got going right now, which is, you know, kind of small. You know, I'm trapping out my living room right now. Living room and kitchen, you know what I mean? So it's all good though, man. You gotta start where you start. It ain't about where you start, it's about where you finish type, you know what I mean? All right, so we just got this sewing done real quick, so I'm gonna be right back. All right, so we got the embroidery done. Let's see, let's piece it. We're gonna go back on there, make them look move, raise our foot, you know what I mean? So that's that Loud Pocket stitch right there, man. That thing looking real nice. And this machine, man, I've been messing up, but at the same time though, I've been having so much fun with this machine, man. Like, it's a good machine, and I would tell anybody, like it's most definitely worth the money. If you're just doing little small stuff right now, it's most definitely worth the money. So right now, we just got done with the embroidery. So now we about to push it right over here to the heat press. And, you know, heat press that Chanel patch on there. But I told y'all, man, I'm in the kitchen right now, man, trapping out the kitchen. So, but yeah, we're going to throw it on the heat press, man. And I'll be right back, guys. All right, man, so we got the heat press heating that Chanel patch up right now. I'm supposed to have something. Oh, there it is. So I got my lint roller. I got my heat press down with my Chanel patch right now. And the way that I puff out my Chanel patches after I heat press them, I just use the lint roller. Come on here. Put that right there. So yeah, we still gotta get that flavor. Just go over it, you know what I mean? It'll puff it back out. Bring the fuzziness back out. Get that thing like nice and pressed. Make sure that it's really on there. You know, got the stitching on the back, Loud Pockets on the front. I feel like that's golden right there, you know what I mean? And yes, I'm a one-man show right now, you know what I mean? So I want everybody to understand, like, when you order a hoodie from me, man, if I got the hoodie on hand, I'm making it the same day, shipping it the same day. But, you know, sometimes I have to order these hoodies, you know what I mean? It takes time to make them and stuff, so probably take a couple days. So for everybody out there that do order from me, you know what I mean? Like, I appreciate y'all and hope y'all understand, man. Like, you know, this is a process, man. I'm a one-man team. I appreciate y'all though, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. I appreciate y'all, man. And I just wanted to kind of, you know, come on here real quick and show y'all, like, because I ain't made no videos in a minute either, man. And I really need to get better at being consistent on YouTube, man, because, like, I appreciate y'all support, man. Like I said, y'all the ones that been doing it, man, for sure. Like, y'all been showing mad love to the website, man. And matter of fact, go shop Loud Pockets right now. Like, you know, I'm going up. I'm only adding stuff. I got trucker hats coming within the next 2 weeks, man. Like, Safari trucker hats too, man. But Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all, you know, how to get something like this, you know, out of just something, something so plain, you know what I mean? And these hoodies are lane 7 hoodies, man. These hoodies are nice hoodies. Like, I ain't, you know, like, I ain't even the type to, you know, be capping on stuff, but like these hoodies, man, they real nice. The pricing on them, good, man. Like, I feel like that lane 7 is a real solid place, for real. Now, another place that I would mess with is, and I would tell y'all to do the same, is Independent Trading Co. You know what I mean? So, like, but for both of these places, you have to have, like, certain licenses and stuff. You know what I mean? Like a resale license and everything like that. So I had to go through the whole flow of getting everything like that. But like I said, that's something else I'm gonna put in the course to show y'all, you know what I mean, how to do the same thing as me, you know what I mean? Get on. Cause it's real easy. It's just a lot of people don't want to do the, you know, like how I had to do it. Like I didn't really have nobody to ask, you know what I mean? So I had to dig, find stuff myself, you know what I mean, learn myself. But with me just telling y'all, man, y'all can just get right over the curve and get to the money, man. Because that's what it's about at the end of the day. Like, I just want y'all to, you know, this is why I'm going through it for y'all, you know what I mean? So y'all can have it easier than me, man. And that's what it's about. But I appreciate y'all, man. I wish all y'all out there, everybody that's watching this right there, I wish you nothing but more success, more life, you know what I mean? Like, blessings to you and yours, man. And I appreciate y'all for the support. Shop Loud Pockets right now. Follow the brand on Instagram at Loud Pockets Clothing. Follow me at Instagram at _ Big Homie Trade. Like, support me and everything I got going on, man. I appreciate y'all and y'all support, man. See y'all on the next one, man.